Good morning. So it is it's Friday, which means it has been a full week since I got the Invisalign on my teeth. And that means that it's time for me to change trays. So now I don't know. I'm excited, but a little nervous. Like it's gonna shift my teeth a little bit. I mean, the first one did, and it was tender, and so now I'm gonna change them again. So I guess it's probably about the same concept as braces, where they tighten wires or something, but you put these in and then it moves your teeth. So here I go. I have been thinking about doing a separate type of a vlog. I don't know, just to help people who might be doing Invisalign. I'm sure there's a lot of them out there. So I'll think about it. Yep. The back wouldn't go down. So I had to use this, what they call chewy, and I had to chew on it to make it click into place. So now it is affixed, but I'll probably be using this for a little bit, just to make sure that everything pops down. But yeah, I feel it. I can feel it's like pulling my teeth or something. So it's working. Okay, are you ready?
5 by 5. Okay. I can do this.
He's almost there.
Wait, no, wrong one.
Uh-oh.
My bad. Oh! I did
it! He just got that, what, yesterday?
Yes,
like last night?
No, I got it like 9:30.
Yeah, he got it at 9:30 last night.
And I worked on it for a little bit now.
And it's still morning the next day. You amaze me. Well, we just had the appraisal. The lady came. We had our masks on. She walked around our house and asked us questions about what we've done to the house and walked around outside. And so I think that's the last step of like everything. Isn't that the last step? Yeah. So this is the final step, and hopefully we can get more answers in the next few coming days to see when we will close on both houses. It's exciting. Okay, Mima and I are braving the cold. Oh, gotta watch for the ice right here, but we are finally taking a walk.
A much needed walk.
Yes, I am. Oh, it feels good out here.
Yeah, it does, but
it's
I'm
nice.
not looking forward to wherever the wind is coming from because it's going to be bitter.
And I'm blind.
I know.
Gabriel loves his plants so much. See, okay, so we have an aloe plant that is enormous. It's giant, and it needs to be transplanted into several pots, but we haven't done it. So it is in this pot, and it really needs to be separated and put into several pots. But it's so big that you can't really water it without getting water everywhere. And so Gabriel has invented a method of watering it. I will warn you, it is not. Like a mama bird. Yes, it's gross. Yes, it's messy, but it gets the job done. Okay, update. We have an update. We have heard back from the home inspection on our house here, and everything is very minimal. Like, I mean, like we knew, but we just felt like it was taking so long for them to get back in touch with us. I was really starting to get nervous. Like, they had until tomorrow to respond to us, and I just thought that it would be sooner, because whenever we had the inspection on the house that we're hoping to get, then we responded right away. So I don't know. Not everybody is like us, I guess. But I can breathe a little easier tonight knowing that we're one step closer. We're one step closer. Okay, so I am probably just going to end this. My teeth are a little bit tender. I was in the mood for something sweet. I looked in my pantry and I had pumpkin pie filling.
I'm eating a little pizza.
Gabriel is making a little pizza out of naan bread. So, I have a mug of warm pumpkin pie filling. And I'm going to eat it because my teeth are tender and I want something sweet. So, until tomorrow.